Dr. Steve Manager. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what to do if you're injured at work. Now, I've been working in this clinic for 10 years now and treating hundreds and hundreds of cases of work-related injuries. And the one thing I've noticed is, number one, the system is rigged against you. So it's very, very important that you follow specific protocols after you're injured at work. Now, I'm not an attorney, I'm a doctor, but I treat a lot of these injuries. And a lot of times I see the patients getting kind of shafted when it comes to the treatment of their work injuries, especially if they're non-English speaking patients. But really everybody, the whole system's rigged against you. So basically, when you're injured at work, the first thing you have to do is, number one, report the injury to a supervisor or to a human resources benefits person immediately after the accident. Make sure that they file a report that's written and that you get a copy of it. Make sure to include all of your existing injuries. That means if you fell down and your back hurts, you don't want to just tell them about your, if you have multiple things going on, let's say your neck hurts, you're getting headaches, you got problems on your arm, problems on your leg, and your back hurts, but you only tell them about your back. Well, they're only going to write down back, and then when time comes to get treatment, and you go to the doctor and you tell them all these other symptoms, which consistently happens to me, when it comes time to treat these things, the workers' comp insurance company will say, well, all we have here is this low back pain. We're not going to pay for all these other things that he claimed that he has. So you want to make sure that you fill out a full report when you file that report and tell the adjuster and tell the HR benefits person every single symptom that you're having, even if it's a small thing, even if it's not the large thing. Tell them the large thing, but tell them everything so that it's all documented properly, so that when they go back against the file, that it has that on there that you listed it and you didn't. Because what they try to do is they'll say, well, he's just trying to add that in, and because there's no documentation of it, and they won't pay for it. So you want to make sure you tell them everything. You want to make sure you file a report immediately. You want to make sure that the company gives you a claim number, which means they're going to go to their insurance company and file a claim, and they're going to get a number. And you need to have that number in order to get treatment. Now, the other thing they can give you when you get the claim number is they have the opportunity. In Virginia, they can give you a sheet with 3 different doctors' names on it to choose from. If they don't give you that sheet, you can choose any doctor you want. Okay, so you can go to any facility. Number one, it's really up to you. And if they give you the sheet with the 3 doctors' names on it, you have to choose one of them, but you still get to choose one between the 3. Otherwise, you can choose whoever you want. You do not need a referral unless you've seen another doctor already. If you saw another doctor and you want to go see another one, you need a referral from the first one. So that's the treating physician. In Virginia, the treating physician is the one you go to first. Does not count in the ER. If the ER refers you to someone, you have to go to that person. That person is now your treating physician. He controls your case. Now, the other thing you should be aware of is that the adjusters on the workers' comp do not control the case, although they will try to. And there is Virginia law that says they are not allowed to dictate your care or who you go to or how long the care takes or what type of care, but they will always try to do so. It's against the law, but they consistently break the law in each and every case I've ever dealt with. So you have to understand that doctors are and yourself, the patient, are in control of the case, not the workers' comp adjuster. So they can talk, but really you don't need to listen to them. You control the case along with your doctor. That's who controls the case according to Virginia law. That is why I always recommend it's a good idea to get adequate representation with an attorney in a workers' comp case as you're treating. I'm Dr. Lininger, and I hope this helps. And if you have a workers' comp case or if you fell down at work, make sure you get the treatment you need. Have a nice day.